Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're exploring a topic that sits right at the heart of corporate accountability: derivative action by shareholders. It's a term that might sound a little technical, but understanding what it means is vital if you're a shareholder, particularly in a private company. It's about knowing what you can do when those in charge of running a company behave improperly, and the company itself suffers as a result. Let's start with a bit of background. In law, a company is a separate legal entity from its shareholders. That means it's the company, not the individual shareholders, that owns its assets, earns its profits, and carries its losses. So when something goes wrong, it's normally up to the company itself to take legal action. But what happens if the people who run the company, usually the directors, are the ones causing the problem? What if they've breached their duties, made poor decisions in bad faith, or even acted in their own interests instead of the company's? That's where derivative action comes in. A derivative action allows a shareholder to bring a legal claim on behalf of the company when the company won't, or can't, do it itself. It's called derivative because the shareholder's right to take action is derived from the company's own right. In other words, the shareholder isn't suing in a personal capacity but stepping into the company's shoes to pursue justice on its behalf. This kind of claim is usually made against directors or others involved in managing the company, where there's been a clear breach of duty, negligence, or misconduct that has caused the company financial harm. Imagine you're a minority shareholder in a small business. You discover that one of the directors has been diverting company contracts to another business they secretly own. The company is losing money, but the other directors, who happen to be close friends of the one responsible, refuse to take any action. In that situation, you as a shareholder can apply to the court for permission to bring a derivative action on the company's behalf. You're effectively saying, if those in charge won't hold this person accountable, I will. Of course, it's not as simple as just launching a lawsuit. Because a derivative action involves a shareholder stepping into the company's place, the court's permission is needed before the case can go ahead. The court will assess whether there's a real case to answer, whether the company has genuinely suffered a loss, and whether taking action is in the company's best interests. The court will also consider whether the alleged wrongdoing could be dealt with in another way, such as through an unfair prejudice claim or internal company procedures. The goal is to make sure that derivative actions are used properly, not as a way for shareholders to pursue personal grievances or disrupt the company unnecessarily. At Blackstone Solicitors, we regularly advise shareholders and directors involved in disputes like these. Derivative actions can be complex and highly sensitive, especially in privately owned businesses where relationships are close-knit. For shareholders, we can assess whether you have grounds to bring a derivative claim and guide you through the application process. For directors facing allegations, we can help you respond effectively and protect your position. The key is understanding that derivative actions are not about personal gain. They're about protecting the company and ensuring fairness, accountability, and good governance. So, to sum up, a derivative action by shareholders is a legal mechanism that allows them to act on behalf of the company when those running it have acted wrongly and refuse to put things right. It's an important safeguard that ensures directors can't misuse their powers without consequence. While it's a powerful tool, it's also a specialist and technical area of law, one where good legal advice is absolutely essential. At Blackstone Solicitors, we're experts in shareholder and corporate disputes, including derivative actions. We help our clients navigate these complex situations with clarity, strategy, and discretion. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more practical legal insights from the team here at Blackstone Solicitors. And if you're a shareholder concerned about wrongdoing within a company, or a director facing allegations, get in touch. We'd be delighted to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.